Okay, behind me you see one of my favorite, probably my most favorite floor plan here in Artistry in West Palm Beach. All right, it is up to 6 bedrooms and a little over 6,000 square feet, depending on the options you choose. And we're gonna go take a look at it. All right, let's go. So just let you get a good look at the elevation there. 3-car garage. And there's a really cool upgrade that can go up there, whether it's additional bedrooms or a little in-law suite. And we'll show you that on the tail end of this video. As you come in here, see there, nice formal dining area. Family area, wine cellar. Interior designers here at Artistry did some amazing stuff just to sort of show you the possibilities, man. I really like the interiors here. Nice family room, entertaining. Probably put a nice sized TV on that wall. Here. Kitchen, stainless steel appliances, of course. Beautiful cabinetry, double oven, gas stove. About that. Beautiful countertops. Nice breakfast area there. Beautiful pool area, great for entertaining. You see you have the summer kitchen there too. So very good use of indoor and outdoor space. So if you have company very often, you have family over, friends over, this is a wonderful floor plan for entertaining. And here you have bedroom. Beautiful view of the pool area. Full bathroom, again, beautiful countertops, mirror, awesome backsplash there in the shower, spacious closet area. This bedroom is right off of the family room area, so it could be a bedroom, could be an office. Here. You have what probably could be a washer dryer area. They have converted this into a dog washing area. So when you bring your pets back in, they're using this as a bit of a brewery, as you can see there. But it could be an office, you could use it as flex space. There are a lot of different options you can use for this space. And this is actually right off of the garage. Now, turn and we will take it upstairs. Beautiful steps. Some really cool finishes. One of the things I really like about Artistry is they have some really good standard finishes as well as upgrades. So this is good stuff. The top of the steps here. Have a nice sitting area. Off the balcony there. Great place to sort of lounge. Another beautiful bedroom with a full bathroom. There we go. See that. Interiors are nuts here. I told you the interior designers are great. Look at that. Super cool. Super cool. Then we will venture over here. The master. View of the beautiful balcony there. His and hers closets, of course. Here's one, and then we have the other. Master, tub, walk-in shower, and now I'm gonna flip this around real quick. Okay, so now I'm going to show you what I think is one of the coolest features of the house. Master bedroom, right? Here. In the master bath, beautiful balcony. And then you go around this corner here and booyah! You have an entire room. This is amazing. So this one is actually set up. See, it's got the wet bar. They have it decorated as a massage spa, private spa, but this could be any number of things dedicated to your owner's suite. It's private, put a door right there. This is super, super cool. This is one of my favorite features of this house, if not my favorite feature. This is really cool, just as far as privacy when it comes to owners and stuff like that. That is super cool. Very, very cool. All right, we'll continue the tour. So, master bedroom, beautiful. Make sure you're taking those floors, man. There are some really good finishes here at Coulter Homes. Does really good finishes. Artistry is a very good example of that. Now over here, you have a couple different options here, and well, actually, I'll share some of those options at the end of this video. You have a closet here, washer dryer upstairs. And here could be a bedroom. It's been converted. They're using it as a sort of a sitting room here. And another bedroom, right? With a full bath. So this could be a in-law suite, anything like that. Just a separate space for entertaining, right? Because you have this door here that once it's closed, this is essentially a one bedroom. Right, you got a full bedroom, a sitting area, and a full bath, right? So this is another really cool feature of this house. So if you're considering multi-generational housing, this is a really, really good option. Okay, really good stuff. This Trumbull floor plan is one of my favorite, if not my most favorite floor plan here at Artistry in West Palm Beach. So now we will take it back downstairs. We'll pan through this beautiful first floor living area one more time. This is good stuff here. Before you go, I want to show you a quick video about that upgrades for the casita up there. All right, so check this out. All right, take a look.
Coulter Homes. Homes that are built around you. Introducing the Trumbull plan with many available options. We will start by looking at the second floor base plan to showcase examples of 3 unique options. First, you can transform the owner's suite with the addition of a flex room that includes a convenient morning bar and adds storage to the laundry room. Another great option is adding the family casita with a full bath, giving you an additional 600 square feet of space over the 3-car garage. Or in place of the family casita, you can have that same space, but instead, have 2 more bedrooms, each with its own full bath. With Coulter Homes, the choices are yours.
Very, very cool, huh? So, as always, thank you so much for hanging out with me. Please like, subscribe, share this video with anyone you know who is looking for a home in South Florida. And as always, my name is Nathaniel Crawford, and I am here to help you achieve your real estate goals. Let's talk soon.